In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Strava app. If you're new to Strava, it's a popular fitness platform that helps you track runs, rides, and other workouts and connect with a community of athletes. The goal today is simple. I'll show you the cleanest, most reliable way to get the official app by starting on Strava's website and jumping straight to the correct store page for your device. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine, and a steady internet connection will make everything load smoothly. Now, go to the official Strava website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar orange branding and the web address shows the official domain with a secure connection. Taking a second to confirm you're on the real site helps you avoid fake links or copycat pages. Once the home page loads, scroll down the page until you find the section that says Get Our Free App. This area is typically near the middle or bottom of the page, and it highlights the mobile app with the recognizable download badges. If you don't spot it right away, just keep scrolling a bit more or look for a clear mention of the mobile app. Website layouts can shift slightly from time to time, but the link is always easy to find. When you see the download options, choose the one that matches your device. If you're using an Apple product like an iPhone or iPad, select the App Store option. It usually appears as a black badge that says Download on the App Store with the Apple logo. If you're on an Android phone or tablet, choose the Google Play option. That's the black or multicolored badge that says Get it on Google Play. Selecting the right badge ensures you land on the official Strava listing for your platform, which is the safest and most straightforward way to proceed. After you make your selection, your browser will open the corresponding store page for Strava. From there, you'll be in the right place to move forward on your device at your convenience. If the page opens on a computer instead of your phone, that's fine. It still confirms you've reached the correct official listing. And that's it. Open your browser, go to Strava, scroll until you find Get Our Free App. Then choose App Store for Apple products or Google Play for Android. Keeping things simple and starting from the official site helps you avoid the guesswork and gets you to the real app quickly and confidently.